Okay, so now you're going to hear me talking in the video. Okay, so now what I've done is I've set it up so you have, I'll worry about it for a second. So plot number, and then you're going to have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So each plot will have 2 trees. Whoa, it's shaking for some reason. Oh, it won't repeat my pattern. Huh! Okay. Why isn't it repeating my pattern? It should pick up on the pattern and then it should repeat it. No, it's not picking up on it. Okay, new plan. Okay, so you go like this. Drag this down to 30, right? And then you're going to have another same, because there's 2 trees per plot. So now you've got double. Now we're going to do, I don't know why it's flickering like that, but you're going to use the rand function. So this is what it looks like. And then now what you just did is you're assigning a random number to each one. Whoop. Now what you're going to do is you're going to reorder. So I like to use this filter thing, and then you can organize this from smallest to largest. Thing is you're going to see how it keeps changing, but just commit to this sequence. This is the biggest number down to the smallest, and now you're going to assign, every tree should have a unique number, even though it's in a different plot. So now you have 60 trees total, right? So now you can reorganize it so that in plot 1 you're going to have tree 4 and 55. In plot 2 you're going to have tree 30 and 54. Does that make sense? So